Welcome to Smaxis. So this is the serum for real estate to manage properties and leads. So this is the login screen. So you can see that here is the link register as admin and register as franchisee. So you can manage your multiple franchises in this CRM. So I have one admin ID. So I'm going to log in. So this is the dashboard. So in this dashboard, you can see new leads, today follow up, missed follow up, my follow up, converted leads, lead postponed leads, reopen, cancelled, cylinder, all leads. And here this is the analytic of property. So all property, today follow up, missed follow up, my follow up, sold out. And this is the wallet analytic. So total points, total payment, and balance points. Okay, so this is the follow-up calendar. So agent can see that his previous follow-up and his future follow-ups, and this is the postpone calendar. And when you scroll down, so it will show you some analytic. So how many lead in follow-up and new lead in postpone. In the same way it shows for the property. Okay, so you can create any lead by click on a create lead. So customer number, phone number, lead source. So you can manage it from master. Refer name and assign to. You can assign to your user or a TL and auto. Auto it will automatically assign to the next available agent. So it's according to the lead auto assign setup. And here it is show property type commercial, so that lead interested in a commercial. So you can select multiple subcategories and cities and also locations. So in which location he is interested. So you can select multiple. If the location is not exist, then you can add. And its budget, minimum, maximum, and offered property. So which properties we already offer to this lead. And this is the lead tag. This is what called hurry VIP. So this is sort of address, and we can also assign admin can assign a points. So that lead is 250 points. It means that franchisee can buy this lead by paying 250 points. I will show you further. Import lead from Excel sheet. So in the same way, we can see today follow up, missed follow up, my follow ups, postponed cylinder, and all leads. So in all leads, we can see the filters. So user can filter any of the thing. And here I can show you one thing. So this is the follow up. So user can do a follow up and update the status. So what is the status? Remind at what time, message. So we can also do a speech to text. Hello, how are you? So this is converted speech to text and submit. So in this way we can do a follow-up of that lead, and if any information agent want to update, then agent can update that lead here. And here it is show a history and call logs. Okay, let's go to back. So agent can delete the lead. So that lead not deleted, it will go into a deleted menu. So admin can permanently delete the lead. And matching, for example, according to this user, what fields inserted in property type and subcategory. So according to this, it will show the matching property of this. And user can view this matching property. So central AC security guard. So this is the fields of matching property. And also agent do one thing. Agent can get the PDF of matching property. A PDF downloaded. So agent will use and forward this PDF to the lead. So this is the lead section. As in the same, this is the inventory section. So admin or inventory manager can create the inventory. What's the property type and subcategory, property title and city, sector, location, sell or rent, square meter, total area, property price, total price, construction site, ready to move under construction, inventory tags, max sale owner name, source, and next fields are bedroom 1, parking open, basement, bathroom 1 to 3, maintenance charges, total maintenance charges, centralized AC is there or not, CCTV camera. These are the fields while creating property. Property floor, furnished, semi-furnished or full furnished, and user can browse 10 images for this property. Okay, so user can also do the follow-up of the property. We can check in all inventory. So this is the inventory. So all the filters are there. User can filter it out and also do the follow-up of inventory. So if it is sold out, then user can do this thing. And in history, user can view the other user logs, what follow-up already taken for this particular property. And we can edit, we can view this property, and we can also download the PDF of this property. And this section is for admin or franchisee. So any franchisee can buy a lead. For example, if franchisee interested in these leads, then franchisee take on these 2 leads, and the balance is 5265. Okay, so user can buy lead purchased successfully. So that 2 leads purchased and the amount deducted. And this is a deleted lead. So any lead, if lead is deleted, then it will show deleted by, deleted date, and information about the lead. And this is the wallet. So user can or a franchisee can add money with wallet by click on a payment, and it will show the payment gateway. So Razorpay is integrated, so you can integrate any of the payment gateway. So rest of the code is working. And you can also see the transaction logs. So these are the 2 logs. Lead purchased, these 2 leads purchased and spent 200, and payment done for this initial payment. And this is the cold calling. If user has a dummy data and user want to perform a calling, and user can create new cold calling and create by using these fields or import from Excel sheet. So user can import multiple leads with one go. And these are the masters that we can manage: lead tag, inventory tag, source, lead remarks, sector, location, building, society. And this is the lead auto sign. So if we want that leads will go to these sources. If we got a lead from these sources, then it will automatically assign to this agent. Okay, so if we define a multiple agents by using these source, then it will go in a sequential order, one after another. Okay, so next is the create user. So in create user, we can see the some dummy analytic, how many users created in this particular user franchisee, and how many points are there, and purchase count. So how many leads he purchased. So this is sort of analytic we can see in a user, and we can create a user. So here it is, we can see that this is the roles: agent, franchisee, admin, team leader, and inventory manager. So we can also set a start date or end date. So after this interval, user cannot use this portal. So if it is null, then user can permanently use this portal. And this is a broadcast message. So we can broadcast a message to any user or all. So if we broadcast this message, then it will show here. So in this way we can do a broadcast message, and this is the email. So we can do a email setup. We can configure any of the Gmail and a Yahoo Mail. So which SMTP server and port is there, then we can configure this. If we configure this email, then we can write a new email. So for now, from email is empty, then it will show it here, and you can write a mail and send to any of the email ID. And this is the send item. Then if you send the email by using this portal, then send item will be there. And this is the inbox. It will show all the emails. If you configure your multiple emails, then it will show a drop down. When you click it, then your inbox emails are there. And this is the report, lead summary report. So this is the lead summary report. New lead 26, done 3. Okay, and next one is lead summary source wise. So in this summary, we can see the source wise summary of our leads. These are the source: housing, magic bricks, and YouTube. So right now, all the source is YouTube. And this is a sort of system setup. So we can configure our company name, contact number, tax percentage, and we can browse our logo also. And next one is the password reset. So we can do a password reset. So I can show you one thing: if the lead is converted, then we can also create the invoice of that lead. Let me convert one lead. Manage lead, and want to see convert it. Okay, so we can write an invoice, new invoice. So we can write our product name. We can do a sort of quotation of this lead. What's the price, what's the quantity, and what's the discount, other charges. So this is the grand total, and we can save it. Invoice saved. If the invoice is saved, then we can download PDF, Excel, and preview. So this is a sort of invoicing of the email. So that currency symbol is defined in a system setup. So you can change the currency according to your country. So next one is the franchisee panel. So this is the franchisee panel, and franchisee also see the analytic of its leads. So right now there is no lead, Let me buy lead for right now. There is a zero amount. So firstly, we need the amount. Like I need 1500, and payment gateway sandbox is integrated. Success, your payment is successful and got a 1500. Okay, so now I can purchase the lead. So three leads. Oh, click on buy. Lead purchase successfully. Okay, then amount is 1200, and I can see the leads in my portal. So all leads. So these are the leads that I purchased, and I can work on these leads. So in the same way, franchisee can also create his own leads and also import from Excel. So we can say that franchisee have a full access of the software, but can manage only his properties and his leads. Okay. So in the same way, working is same. Agent can manage the leads and do a follow up, and we can see the manager profile. So property manager manage the properties. So manager can create a properties and do a follow up on that properties. Also do a cold calling manager. Okay. So this is a sort of manager panel. We are available on an email as well as WhatsApp for any queries or a customization. So you can contact us. Thank you.